Hello guys, this is Aldis from TCTFX, and today I'm going to be showing you two trades that I took last week. They were pretty good. One was a break even and the other one was a really good win. So let me go to the Thursday. Yeah, this is the Thursday one. All right. So my strategy is very simple. I'm a breakout trader. So how it is that wherever price goes, that's where I'm gonna trade it. If it goes down, I'm gonna sell. If it goes up, I'm gonna buy. So what I do is I come at 2:30 a.m. in the morning every single day, and I look for my highs and lows. So this is the low. This is the high of when I come around this time, around 2:30ish, right? So what I do is very simple. I wait till it breaks out. If it goes up here, I'm gonna buy. If it goes down here, I'm gonna sell. This is very simple strategy. So in this case, it went up, right? So what I did was I was right here. I waited till it broke out. So it broke out with this candle, and I said to myself, you know what? Let me wait to see what happens because it could be a fake out. It could come up right up here, tell me he's gonna buy, and then just go down and hit my stop loss, and then it's a losing day for me. So I wait for more confirmations to make sure I get in the trade. So I saw that it went back up, it closed again here, and then it closed again. I'm like, you know what? Let's go for it. So I waited for a nice little retracement, a nice little pullback. And then once I went back up again, above this candle right here, I pressed the buy. So what I do is, once I press the buy, I put in my SL and my TP. Very simple. And what I do after that, I turn off the computer and go back to sleep, right? I don't look at the trade. I don't do anything because if I start doing that, I'm gonna get tempted to just close the trade whenever I'm a little bit, when it's about to hit my SL, or if I see that I'm a little bit in profit, I'm just gonna close it and then why and miss all of this? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. So what I do is I just turn it off and then simple and go back to sleep. And then I go and I wake up around 6 a.m. to check it again to see how it's going. And then if it hit my TP, it hit my TP. If it hit my SL, it hit my SL. What am I gonna do? I can't do anything. So yeah, so this case, it actually hit my TP. It was really good. It was a 5% win on this day. I was very happy about that. And yeah, it was a really good trade. Let me go to the Friday trade. That this one was the break even. This one I got really mad because this was a very good win, and at the end of the day it went against the direction that I thought it was going to go. So yeah, so this is what happened. I came in at 2:30 a.m. like I always do. I put in my I put in my highs and lows. Put this one over here. All right, put in my highs and lows, and I wait for the breakout. So for this case, it broke up to the upside. Very good. So it broke up here, and then it broke up again. I'm not just gonna get in because you never know what could happen. So what I did was I waited. It broke up again. It broke up right here, and then I went down. It retraced a little bit, and I waited to see if it was just gonna keep going down, and then yeah. So after that, I saw this big wick. That means rejection. That means price does not want to keep going down. So I was like, all right, cool. So then I waited until it went up again and it passed this candle right here with the long wick, and then I pressed the buy saw. Simple as that. Press the buy, and then I put in my TP and I put in my SL. And what did I do? I went back to sleep. Simple as that. So then around 6-ish, around there, 5 something, I came back and I saw the price was up here on this candle right here. Price was going up and down over here. And I'm like, you know what? I was up about $2,000, $2,000 around right here. And I was, you know what? Let me put in my break even. Let me move stops to break even so I could, be a safe trade. And that's exactly what I did. So I put my stop around right here. Right there, right? So it could cover the spread. It could cover the spread, and I won't go negative. It'll be positive, but it will be a break even. So what a coincidence that that's exactly what it did. It went and it it hit my break even, and then it went up in my direction. So this was a miss trade right here. I could have gotten another 5%, but whatever. What are you gonna do? It's gonna happen. So for next time, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let the trade breathe and not do what I did right here. Just let it go, let it do its thing. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. It's simple as that. So I hope you guys like my first video. There's gonna be lots of videos coming every week, doing these breakdowns, teaching you my strategy a little bit more in detail, and just overall showing you other strategies that work. Yeah, as you can see, I don't use any indicators. This is plain charts, just price action. Indicators do work, but for some people, for me specifically, it does not work for me. I don't like indicators. I don't have nothing. The only indicators I have is the sessions. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video, and see you next time.